This is the listing for Universal Auto Repair and Body Shop. They are located at 3180 Danforth Avenue, Scarborough, Ontario. Universal Auto Repair and Body Shop has been proudly operating for the past 17 years. Their mission is to make sure that all their customers know what it's like to drive a safe vehicle. All repairs are completed by our trusted technicians. They will ensure that your repairs are done in a timely and cost-effective manner so that you are satisfied with the end result. This is their promise to all car owners, which they have kept over the last 17 years. Universal Auto Repair and Body Shop. Enhance your driving experience. Give them a call today.